What's up guys, it's Ben with Underrated Garage. Today's video is a long time coming. We're doing a full shop tour of my new setup. I've got 3 big garage bays here. I'm going to show you around the whole thing and what we got going on, but let's get into it. So we'll start off in the small garage, which is still pretty good size here. But here she is. Now it's not perfectly organized. I'm still kind of in the process of getting settled in, but we've got a 20 by 40 garage space. I don't know how tall, but the door is 10 feet, so I'm guessing the room is 12 feet. It's actually heated. We've got the baseboard heating. Right now I've got my C5 Z06 in here, and I've got my 370Z street track build. This is like all the space I always needed when I was at my last single bay garage and I had a rusty shed full of parts in the backyard and just stuff everywhere. I actually already have some things on the way and ordered that are going to upgrade this space a lot. We're going to make it something really sick over time. For now, this is what I got. This is my space and my stuff. That's pretty much that for the little garage, but we're going to head over to the workshop. Now, you can see the 2 massive bays over here, and we're going to enter this and show you why I really bought this property. Little bit of a dungeon right now because the lighting really needs to get improved in here, but that is already on the way. This is my 40 by 40 workshop. It won't be this dark forever. That's good enough, maybe? So we've only got 4 rides in here right now. You could easily fit 6. Not all set up. There's huge things to come for it, but you can see we have a bunch of 350Z parts from this 07 Roadster that I'm parting out right now. And when I say parting out, I'm not actually selling anything. It's all for me. It's all spare shit for the drift car. But we've got the OG Z32 300ZX looking worse than ever, some might say, but you'll remember when this thing was icy show car baby. Right now it needs a motor swap and I can't afford the engine I want to put in it, so it's going to sit for a bit. We've got wood burning furnace, a workbench covered in shit, and my toolbox is in the corner, but once it's all set up, I'm going to have my welder back there. I'm going to have a new workbench. It's going to be a nice like fabrication corner. I am definitely, you already know with the space, putting a lift in here. Got the drift car, the Porsche. My next big project is getting ready for some drifting this season. Now that I'm out, I don't even think I mentioned yet in this video, I'm out in Poconos now in Northeast PA. Coming from the Jersey Shore, I'm going to be hitting some new tracks this year. So I'm going to be hitting some new tracks. Instead of Raceway Park and Wall like I was drifting last year, it's going to be Evergreen and Pocono Raceway. Can't wait. So within the next month or 2, I'll definitely be hitting those tracks up. Got the engine and tranny corner. We got an extra VQ on the stand. We got a couple 300ZX transmissions, a whole bunch of differentials behind that bumper. You know the Z Life. Got spare parts everywhere. And then this thing I almost don't even want to talk about because I bought this G37 probably 6 months ago now, and it hasn't been not in limp mode since, but at least the Z's treat me well. Not this Infinity, apparently. I guess I'm not an Infinity guy. But I've got a bunch of drift burners ready for me to hit Pocono and Evergreen this year. So out of all these lights in this place, the one half of that one and whatever that corny little thing is are the only things working. So it is a dungeon trying to get work done in here. That's like the first big upgrade. It has to be some bright lighting in here so I can actually get work done. Getting the welder wired up, and then the big one is going to be getting a lift in here because I've never, in my 10 years of building cars, been able to work on a lift. So I think that pretty much concludes the shop tour here. You saw my smaller storage garage and you see my big workshop, and this is kind of how I got it, just with all my stuff thrown in. So I'm going to actually start upgrading it this year, and over the years it's only going to get better from here. So that's that. This is the new Underrated Garage headquarters. I'm stoked on it. More content coming soon. Subscribe, like the video. Peace out.